The Metra 955817 dash kit is pretty simple to install, but it's important to note that modifications to your dash will be required for the kit and new radio to fit. Start by identifying the left and right radio brackets, then secure them in place using the screws that came with your radio. We recommend spacing the screws out on both sides to evenly support your radio. It's also worth mentioning that once installed, this kit is very difficult to remove from your dash, so be sure to test your radio and check that all of your connections, including your Bluetooth microphone, RCAs, rear USBs, antenna, and all harness connections, are complete before snapping it into place. Once your kit is complete and installed in your dash, clip the filler bar into the bottom of the radio opening under the assembly, with the rounded edge facing towards the dash. If you have any questions, give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.